Hi everyone, here we've got XIAOMI Mi 90 and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device, so how to add it and how to remove it from it. So firstly, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the section, let's say, called accounts. And as you can see, on the second position we've got Google, so this is the Google section, and obviously you can add or remove the account using it, but I personally prefer to use accounts and sync. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got our previously added Google account. So let me show firstly how to remove it. So simply tap on it, and here we have to tap on more. Now let's tap on remove account. Here your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so just tap on remove account. If you are sure, tap on OK. We have to verify that it is me in my case, so I can put my finger on the sensor or use the pattern, so I will do that. And as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it from our device. Obviously you can add new one just by tapping on add account or using the Google section, which about I've previously told you, and tap on the Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, the shortcut of it, so simply tap on accept. And let's get back. As you can see here we've got our newly added Google account. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your XIAOMI Mi 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.